Hello all. Till now we have studied that all the features of Simulink window and all this thing, and we have created one or two basic logics also, like addition of product of two numbers or sine wave and all this thing. So let's get started with our first model of square of two numbers, a plus b whole square, like a plus b whole square. What is the equation for this? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So now this we will create from scratch each and everything this model, and after that I will give you one assignment where you can do some more arithmetic operation. This all comes in arithmetic operation in algebra. Okay, so here I have tried to open the library browser. Just a second, it is opening library browser. For creating this, we want how many inputs? Basically, we want two inputs and we will be having one output. So how we can do and all this thing, I'll show you. There are various way to do this as well. Okay, we can directly use a square block, or we can product it, or we can do multiplication of that same number twice, or we can use a game block, or we can, like, so many things we can use here. Okay, first initially what I'll do in Simulink, okay, if you are coming to the source block, I required constant as an input. Okay, here I'm not making anything as a complex for you. Here I'll be renaming this constant. Okay, so I'll be taking this here. Okay, constant. For this I require a three constant, so I'll drag and drop here. Okay, for this, first my constant is a, second my constant is d. Okay, and here I'll be using as a 2. Okay, where we have an equation 2 into x. So this 2 will be here, not here as an input. Input is that 2 only. A or B. Last session I have told you we used like top to bottom, left to right approach. Okay. Next, after that, what I have to do? I have to do a square or b square. Okay. I for your simple, what I will make here, a as in 2. Okay. Apply. Okay. And b as in 3. Okay. Apply. And okay. So is a square plus b, a plus b ka whole square. What if it will be that a plus b is 5, and 5 square is 25. So maybe our output will become 25 here. Let's see what it will be. Okay. So to square, we have multiple options to do the square. Okay. One is the square. Directly we can use this block. Okay. Where it will be square this number. Okay. This two number. So from where I have took this, so from maths operation, if we are coming here, you can see somewhat here below or down, that square block will be available here at square root, and square also will be available here on this counter. You can search it when you are doing this example, okay, or else you can see here, searching here, square, okay, it's here in Simulink quick insert math operations. Okay, in math operations we will be able to see it's in math operation only. So where it will be, we can search it. I'll not waste my time to show you here as well. Okay, so now what we have done till now, a square is done, b square is done. Now we have to add, and before that we have to do 2ab as well. Okay, 2 into a into b. So what I will use for this, I'll use for this product, as we use in last class as well, product. Okay, so we can use here directly the product. And how many inputs for this? Total 3 input for this. I'll apply, I'll make it okay. Okay, and here what I'll be doing, 2 into a into b. So whatever the sequence is, doesn't matter. I'll create 2 at a down. Okay, then I'll connect with a, then I'll connect with b. Okay, so here what it will be doing, 2 into a into b. Okay, fine. So this operation is going to be performed here, 2 into a into b. And then what it will be doing, it's adding all these three, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what I will use the adder. Okay, simply adder. Here you can see the product block which we use. Here you can see the add block. Okay, I can drag and drop also, I can search also. There are various ways. How many things I have to add? Total three things. So I'll come here and I will add sign here. So it will be make it three input adder. Okay. So now it will be three input adder. Okay. This adder is having three inputs. So you can resize these blocks by here dragging and like using a mouse. You can come at the corners of this block and you can resize this block as well if you want. Okay. So first I am connecting this all. What is the a square? It's connected here. 2 into AV also connected here. Okay. Now where we can see the output, we require a display. Okay. I'll make it this thing little bit left side and I'll I'll connect the display here. Okay. At the out. Okay. Now let's run the model and see the output first. Okay. If correct, we all know a plus b. What is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is 5. And what is the square of 5? Is 25. So our model is working properly. So this is very basic example which I have shown you. A plus b whole square for arithmetic operation where we use the source library, Mac operation library, like Mac operation library, also the sync library. From sync we have used the display, and from scope also we used in last session. Okay, so this is the very basic example. So it's your task. You can implement few more examples, like you can implement these examples for you as an assignment, where you can do like a minus b ka whole square, or a plus b whole cube, or these equations you can try to implement these formulas. Okay, fine. So that's it all about this session. Okay, we will meet in the next session. So this is your first MATLAB model. I'll save you in front of you in one folder. Okay, I'll save this. I'll create one folder. You like start Simulink. Okay, start underscore Simulink. Okay, inside that I'll rename this folder to my first Simulink 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 model. You can say whatever you want, you can give the name. So I have shared here with my first Simulink model. So I have simulated this in front of you. Okay, I'll again show you if I'm going to change this a and b values, so it will work properly or not. So here I am changing the a value also with 3. Okay, so now 3 plus 3 is 6. So what is a plus b whole square? 36. 6 plus square. So you can see it's worked. If I'm changing the b value also, you can see I'll just make it to the 1. Okay, and apply and okay. 4 plus square 16. So it is, you can see on display the output is 16. So there are various ways also. Okay, I already told you how we can do on this as well. So there are various options. We can connect here product block as well, and we can multiply the same value with 2 times also. So that also the way we can do the square. Okay, like for example, if I'll be having this here, okay, I'll be having this as an input. Again, I am connecting this as the same input. Okay, and when display here, okay, so you can see we will get the square of 3 here as 9. Okay, if I am changing something here to like 5, apply, okay, and simulate this model. So to get the square, we have various options. We can use the product block with 2 same inputs and we will get the square as well, or we can directly use the square block as well. Okay, so in MATLAB, this is a very important thing. You will get various ways to implement model, and whichever is simple for us that we can implement. Okay, so that's all about it. The Simulink sourcer, syncer, and some mathematical operation blocks. So you can try to perform this all the equations. Okay,